Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE blower assembly part #WB38X10069. The GE blower assembly part #WB38X10069 is a replacement part for many GE brand dryers. It is the blower wheel and motor assembly that circulates air through the dryer during the drying cycle. The blower wheel is made of plastic and has a diameter of 4.5 inches. The motor is a 120V, 60 Hz, 1/4 HP motor with 2 mounting screws. This part is used to replace worn or damaged blower wheels and motors in GE dryers. It helps to ensure that the dryer operates efficiently and effectively. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement blower assembly for a range hood. It can be used to fix symptoms such as a noisy or weak blower, or a blower that is not working at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the screws that secure the blower will cover to the blower housing. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the blower motor and remove the blower will cover. 4. Remove the screws that secure the blower motor to the blower housing and remove the motor from the housing. 5. Install the new blower assembly in reverse order of removal, making sure to reconnect all wiring harnesses and secure all screws tightly. 6. Turn on power to appliance and test for proper operation of new blower assembly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.